Welcome back to CarWow 787. If you're passionate about diesel engines, semi-trucks, and all things trucking, you're in the right place. Here, we bring you in-depth comparisons, expert insights, and real-world perspectives on the engines that keep the industry moving. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a breakdown. Let's get rolling. In today's video, we're putting two strong contenders side by side, the Cummins X12 and the Paccar MX-16. These engines are engineered for power, efficiency, and reliability, but they're designed with different goals in mind. We'll break down specs, performance, applications, reliability, and real-world usability to help you make the right decision for your truck or fleet. Let's begin with the Cummins X12. This engine is a lightweight powerhouse. Designed specifically with weight-sensitive applications in mind, the X12 weighs only around 2,050 pounds. That makes it one of the lightest 12-liter engines in its class. Despite its light weight, it packs a punch, delivering up to 500 horsepower and 1,700 pounds-ft of torque. This kind of power-to-weight ratio is critical in regional haul, vocational, and certain long-haul operations where fuel economy and payload efficiency are essential. The X12 is part of Cummins' efficient engine lineup, designed for EPA 2021 compliance and optimized for fuel savings. It features a high-pressure common rail fuel system, advanced turbocharging, and integrated engine braking. Cummins engineers focused on reducing internal friction, improving combustion efficiency, and integrating a simplified after-treatment system to reduce downtime and maintenance costs. One of the biggest selling points of the X12 is its modular design. This engine is engineered for easier serviceability, which helps reduce time in the shop and keeps trucks on the road. Additionally, Cummins' connected diagnostics system provides real-time data and remote troubleshooting, allowing fleets to manage maintenance proactively. Now let's turn to the Paccar MX-16. While not as commonly discussed as the MX-13, the MX-16 is positioned as Paccar's heavier-duty engine offering. It builds on the strengths of the MX-13 with increased displacement and output, suited for more demanding long-haul and heavy-duty applications. The MX-16 offers up to 565 horsepower and up to 2,050 pounds-ft of torque, which places it above the X12 in raw output. The MX-16 is built with durability in mind. Its compacted graphite iron block provides strength without excessive weight, and features like fracture split connecting rods and precision machined components enhance its reliability under constant high-load use. The engine is integrated tightly with Kenworth and Peterbilt platforms, meaning better synergy with the truck's drivetrain, controls, and diagnostics.
Paccar's after-treatment system on the MX-16 has been improved for efficiency and emissions compliance. While past versions have had occasional issues with sensors and regeneration cycles, newer iterations have shown significant improvement in reliability and performance. Paccar's over-the-air update capability and advanced telematics features like Paccar Solutions also enhance fleet-level monitoring. Let us now compare these two engines head-to-head in several key areas, starting with weight and size. The X12 has a clear advantage. At just over 2,000 pounds, it is significantly lighter than the MX-16, which tips the scales closer to 2,700 pounds. That 700-pound difference can translate to additional payload capacity or better fuel efficiency, especially in regional haul scenarios. For fleets looking to optimize for weight, the X12 is hard to beat. In terms of power and torque, the MX-16 takes the lead, with up to 565 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. It outperforms the X12 on the top end. This makes it better suited for long-haul and heavy-duty applications where sustained power and torque are crucial, particularly in mountainous terrain or when hauling full loads over long distances. Fuel efficiency is a more nuanced discussion. The X12 is engineered specifically for efficiency in weight-sensitive and stop-and-go operations. Its lighter weight and combustion design provides strong MPG performance, especially in regional and urban duty cycles. The MX-16, while more powerful, may consume more fuel under similar loads, but its fuel mapping and torque management make it competitive in over-the-road operations. When it comes to serviceability and diagnostics, Both engines have strong offerings. The X12 benefits from Cummins' extensive service network and remote diagnostics capabilities. Cummins engines are known for their ease of access and commonality across multiple platforms, making parts sourcing and mechanic training simpler. The MX-16, on the other hand, integrates seamlessly with Kenworth and Peterbilt systems. It is tightly coupled with vehicle controls, which can enhance driving experience and efficiency. Additionally, over-the-air updates and fleet management tools through Paccar solutions help minimize downtime. Reliability and durability are always top concerns. Cummins has decades of proven performance behind it, and the X12 is built on a foundation that shares DNA with the respected ISX platform. That said, the MX-16's compacted graphite iron structure and high-strength internals give it a strong durability profile, especially under high-stress usage. Owner-operator reports have generally been favorable for both engines in terms of uptime and long-term performance.
Another consideration is integration and brand alignment. If you're running a Kenworth or Peterbilt fleet, the MX-16 might make sense for tighter integration, streamlined warranty coverage, and centralized diagnostics. But if your fleet includes a mix of manufacturers International, Freightliner, or Mack, for example, the X12's versatility and wider service network become more appealing. Now let's touch on emissions and future compliance. Both engines are designed to meet current EPA and CARB emissions regulations, with pathways toward 2027 compliance. The X12's after-treatment system is simplified and lightweight, reducing maintenance issues often associated with emissions controls. Paccar's after-treatment system has also matured, and the MX-16 now features improved regeneration management and longer maintenance intervals. Let's talk real-world feedback. Many operators running the X12 praise its acceleration, especially in lighter loads or regional applications. It's agile and responsive, and its lighter weight often leads to increased payloads or better MPG. Fleet managers note lower total cost of ownership due to its fuel efficiency and reduced maintenance needs. The MX-16, meanwhile, is praised for its brute strength and endurance. Drivers appreciate the engine brake performance and the pulling power in steep grades. It's a favorite among those who operate in demanding terrain or who consistently max out gross vehicle weight. Price-wise, the X12 often comes in slightly lower due to its lighter construction and smaller displacement, but this can vary by truck model and configuration. When evaluating total cost of ownership, it's important to consider your specific application. For regional or weight-sensitive operations, the X12 may offer better wow over time. For long-haul or heavy-duty freight, the MX-16's power and integration may be worth the premium. If you're looking for a lightweight, efficient, and versatile engine for regional, vocational, or light long-haul work, the Cummins X12 is a strong contender. It's light, smart, and backed by one of the most extensive support networks in the industry. If your operation demands high horsepower, maximum torque, and seamless truck engine integration, the Paccar MX-16 is built to deliver. The right engine ultimately depends on your application, route profile, and fleet structure. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, but having solid data and real-world input helps make an informed choice. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about your experience with either engine. Which one are you running or which one would you choose? We'd love to hear your take. Until next time, keep it rolling and stay safe out there on the road.